Once again, the state BJP Vice President Patal Kanya Jamatia put allegation in the name of Greater Tipraland. There is no memorandum for Greater Tipraland, and there is no more such demand. Now it has become a development. BJP Vice President Patal Kanya Jamatia said this while speaking at the BJP Janjati Morcha conference program on Thursday at Dosra Dev Bhavan Hall. The BJP Janjati Morcha conference program was held in Suparivagan Dosra Dev Bhavan Hall in the capital on Thursday. BJP Janjati Morcha Pravari MLA Rampada Jamatia inaugurated the program by lighting the lamp. BJP Vice President Patal Kanya Jamatia, BJP Janjati Morcha Secretary Bidyo Debarma, Vice President Mangal Debarma, Vice President Amitabh Debarma, and others were present. BJP Vice President Patal Kanya Jamatia, while speaking at the program, said that they are cheating the people in the name of Greater Tipraland and looting lakhs and crore of money. They will have to pay the consequences one day. Where is Greater Tipraland now? There is no single memorandum of Greater Tipraland. Now they are speaking about development. The demand for Greater Tipraland is no more exist.
Abne bagai tini jonajati sentang gaira BJP ma khainai Modi naiga sabka bikas aro tamna hunba joto dharma joto bhasha joto sampradayik no je Indian people je Bharatborsh ni Bharatiyo no bho tisai tlang nai ingenia to agreement khai thangja 1949 15 October Nyode odikar tunggu, tangai saragya, odikar na tama saragya, tabli khaksa maksa ro yang tero yang hak na rong lai tungka. Abne baganya sini na har menti jaga matong nai. Abne sab sanai, jeng na sanai, sab sosanai, jeng na sosanai. Modi joto ni slide powerful leader, bisho ni dynamic leader, bo otir prahana sara Bharatborsh hano na tisai tilangan hisai tok tong pro. Di prahana superstate serang nai sai tong pro nang ang khas rang nai bono ing tam khanya nang nai phaidi hni stabu yakrom na nyari ko otoso seng abo kebeng nai tongko BJP ta khaje Modi go back Patal Kanya go back Patal Kanya na go back hoi tamama kha jara go back hunai ro tini tamama kha alliance ra khaja diya alliance ra pengja diya Modi go back nai ra tama khaina kha ediswa rang ro de hni horti porti pro phai CM bai mama lai pheke BJP ni CM bai Purba Tripura sampai cabinet cengar ada Delhi tanggai masai bukan Greater Tipraland biang tangga Greater Tipraland sini borok to fatabu gusi seko lama koroi tongko salsa dino lama sisanai apra belai thora leri thangnai aba hake borok no tukaro mani Greater Tipraland ni bimutai lakho kuti rangkol mani orang ni salsa jawab salsa na Greater Tipraland biang tangka Greater Tipraland ni kaisa memorandum krei Greater Tipraland ni kaisa mengsa jaga ko prop kre tabake development since Greater Tipraland krika abri bagai Chini nani dangai o do pawa ke bawa phake ke bawa thangka besut jora Chini do patini jora tei kusuka saka abri bagai tabapati prasa Chini do faro lama koroja ke bawa tongko je borok lama korojak saksak masinai borok arni okhari phaika BJP ni Modi ni joto sampli go phainani saktari phai tongo baskane salo abono moitonardi BJP no karai odir prahano kebo yakrong uiti samanai krei ajaga seng ta yakrong tangani nai to goitong pro seng sak bai sak kutuk lai ka lai ta mong lai lai gei ongklong oslo lai gei nai to wisa ma horia Delhi sena nai to wisa man thogya Khorang bekrei samong bekrei Abne bagai kakak sama ni nang belai ke sini probari sama no belai ke manang jaga.
Similarly, on this day at the program, BJP Janjati Morcha Vice President Mangal Debarma, Kavita Jamatia and others delivered their speech. Reported by Prabir from Agartala, Chini Khorang.